show you how to play Till, as sung by Tom Jones. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. This one will start right with the intro, because it's just a few notes. You got a C, G, and C. So it's just an open fifth C on C in the left hand. And then you're going to fill out a C7 in your right hand. C7 is C, E, G, B flat, 1, 3, 5, 7. So you're going to go C. There you go. So that's the chord. And then go right into the melody. Now we've got a C in the melody. It'll go triplet C, D, E, F. That's his first note right there. E, G, F, E, D, E, D, E, F, E, C, D, C, B flat, C, D. Now that's a fill right there. C, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, A, B flat, A, G, then F, and there's a fill here that goes F, A, C, A, G, A. Back to the melody, F, F, A, C, F, E, another fill, E, C, A, G, A. So the first fill is F, C, A, G, A. The second fill is E, C, A, G, A. And you got to switch octaves. Both times you switch octaves. Here's your melody and here's your fill. And then we go to E, E, A, C, E, D. Now this fill is D, B, F, B flat, A, G, D. Triplets right there. Da, 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 D. Yeah. So you've got D, F, B flat, A, G, D. And then back down for the melody. D, D, F, B flat, C, A, B flat, A, G. Now let me get you with the bass that far. So we start off, we got the that chord, and then we go into the melody, and here's your left hand, F, C, F, F chord with C on the bottom. Here's your F chord, F, A, C, and we're putting that C down here. So we're coming right up to it, C, F, then the F chord with the F in the middle, then the A minor chord. Now A minor chord is A, C, E, so we're going to play A, C, E, and then we're going to play C, E, A. So then we're going to play the A minor chord with the C on the bottom, E, A on top. And then we go to a B flat chord, B flat, D, F. Now the B flat chord is black, white, white. So you've got B flat, D, F, down to the G minor chord. G minor chord is G, B flat, D. And then we're going to end with a D minor chord. This is an all-white chord, D, F, A, and then our C, 7. We don't need the G because it's in the melody right there. So we're just going to play the root, the third, and the 7. And then we do it again. Same left hand. Same left hand. Very similar left hand. You got a B flat and a D, F, and then we'll break up the G minor chord, and then we go to the D minor and to the C7. So we do that same sequence twice. Now if you put those together, it's right into the melody goes on with D, and then the melody goes on with D, C, D, C, D, E, D, C, crush that D into the C. F, 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 C, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, G, B flat, C, A, B flat, A, G, and then we go right back into what we started with. And right there, we're gonna modulate to A flat. So it starts in F and it'll end in A flat, and we'll modulate through this E flat 7 chord. We've got the G, and we're gonna use that G as a common tone to get an E flat 7, which will lead us to A flat. See, the E flat is the 5 chord of A flat. So that E flat 7 will set you up for A flat, B, da da da. So you're right into the A flat chord by using that E flat 7 chord. Now, the bass, the left hand changes a little bit on this part. So what you're going to do there, you're going to start on B flat, your D in the melody, and then you're going to go to an A minor. So you're just going to walk that bass line down to the A minor, to the G minor, still in G minor, and up to the D minor, and to the C7, and then we're back to what we did at the first. So that part of it is going to go. You're modulating E flat 7 chord, and we're into the A flat. Now, for that melody, we're going to be A flat, A flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, G, F, G, C, E flat, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, F, A flat, F, G, E flat, and then I'll hit a chord. The melody, he goes up to an A flat right there, and we'll hit that A flat chord, change it to a. So we're making an. So we're changing that. So by doing that, we're going to a B flat minor 7th and back to the A flat. But all I'm going to use is the B flat and the D flat, just to change that chord sound. So we've got the A flat pedal tone in it. So just slide down to the B flat and the D flat, and then come right back to the A flat. Hold that A flat all the way through, and hold this A flat, E flat, A flat in the bass all the way through. And all we do is. You can free-form that B flat and the D flat rhythmically, however you're feeling at the time, because you just got 3 of them there. You can do it fast. You can set it off. However you're feeling right there is going to work okay. So we start with that modulating E flat 7, and then we've got an A flat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the chord, the C and the E flat, twice. And then twice again. Then we go. And we do the same thing with the C minor chord. So we're going to pop the E flat and the G twice. To do on that one, on that D flat, is I'm just going to hit the bass by itself. See, it doesn't sound as good if you put the chord in. It doesn't sound as good if you just stay on the bass. Then go to the chord. So hit the D flat, pop it twice, and then go to the chord. Now the D flat chord is D flat, F, A flat, black, white, black. Go to the G and the E flat, we're going to go contrary motion. See, we're F, G, that's going up, and here our chord, every note is going down. So I'm going to go from the D flat chord in root position to the E flat chord with the E flat in the middle. Now remember, D flat was a black, white, black. E flat is a black, white, black. One way you can get the major chords, if they're on a black key, they're all black, white, black except for F sharp. So you got a D flat, E flat, A flat, and now B flat is different, black, white, white, and G flat or F sharp is different, all black. But these three are all black, white, black. So that's what we've got. We've got a D flat chord and an E flat chord. I'll put the B flat, spell it B flat, E flat, G to get that contrary motion. See how good that sounds? And then the melody falls off G, E flat, and then set it up for the chord. So we're actually walking into that A flat, E flat. We're actually walking toward this. We're going D flat, B flat, A flat. That's what our low notes are sounding like. So we're and we walk that down, and then the A flat. There you have it. It's a magnificent song, Till by Tom Jones. I hope you enjoy playing it.